there is a movement out there, you know, of extreme right-wing sympathizers, if not members, that is in existence, and you know, I fear that you know that racist attacks are going to be on the increase, and therefore, if anything of a legacy, I hope that people will recognise that they need an organisation like the Asian Youth Movement that sort of brings the people, you know, the Asian youth together from different religious backgrounds, from different backgrounds.
I think we were closest to, as I say, a grassroots mass movement that we've ever had in our communities was probably during the Asian Youth Movements.
Well, the first point I think I learned then was that to anchor yourself in the history of those who've struggled before you, and that's exactly what we were doing as well.
I would say to the youth of Bradford, don't listen to the politicians, don't listen to the council and its officers, right? Organise yourselves.
If as a political organisation or as an organisation fighting for something that we truly believe in, then there's no way we can get money from those that we fight against.
The key thing I think that is we've lost is those independent grassroots community organisation, that self-reliance. You know, I think that were the key features of Asian youth movements, and I would encourage you know, generations today that we have to continue to organise. You know, Frantz Fanon once said, you know, every generation that comes into being faces an historic task. It either subsumes itself to the forces before it, or it actually takes up the struggle to move it forward. And today, I think, you know, we need to continue.
So when we fought, we opened the legalities and created new things. And when you fight back, you always find an answer. That's what I learned through whether it's an immigration campaign or self-defense. But if you fight back organised and have people supporting you, you'll find the answer and you will win.